Hitchcock Nature Center, it's our annual Monarch program event, and so the public comes out and we offer 3 sessions where they can learn about monarchs and their migration and learn how to tag them and release them back into the wild. We do an inside session for just about 20 minutes. We go over the biology, the metamorphosis, and the migration, and then we demonstrate outside how to tag a monarch, and we release it, tell it adios.
Adios! Oh, it loves you!
Birds trip down to Mexico, and then people can borrow our nets, go out on the trails, and hopefully find some wild monarchs that we can help them tag and release.
Look how beautiful